Ow, man! Welcome to the Frick Cast and the Grizzly Naturals soap guides. Today, we're decking the halls with the Deck the Halls. This is a Christmas limited offered by Grizzly Naturals. It is said to be a nostalgic scent that captures the spirit of Christmas. But like Christmas itself, is this bar overrated? Well, let's get into this joyful brick. We'll begin with the unique ingredients, and really all we have today are the essential oils. These are mainly going to form the scent, but they can also provide some additional benefits as well. In this brick, we're talking pine, fir, frankincense, cinnamon leaf, clove, and cassia, which can add some soothing, anti-inflammatory, and relieving benefits to irritated skin. It also adds some antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. They provide nourishment and anti-aging benefits, helping to improve the look and feel of skin. Overall, this bar looks to be a relaxing and soothing one, ideal for irritated skin. The scent of this brick is a very fresh one. It's a nice combination of pine and fir with cinnamon and clove. It's got the fresh woodsiness that pairs well with the warm spices. It's similar to Sudsy Bear's Scrooge Scrub, but more mild and with the spice toned down. It's nothing crazy, but it's a good scent. I'd say it's around a medium potency. It's not overly strong, but it is noticeable. The bar is a 0 grit, so it is a smooth brick. I found it to feel pretty standard overall. It didn't really stand out in any way, nor did it really underperform in any way. Just kind of a standard grizzly clean, that when paired with that festive scent, does leave you feeling fresh on Christmas morning. As for my thoughts, I do like the Deck the Halls. I don't think it's quite an upper echelon bar, but it's also nowhere near the bottom. I'd say it's just kind of a mid-tier brick. I do like the scent, pine, cinnamon, and clove combined for an interesting and fresh smell that is both woodsy and spicy, yet sweet enough to make for a more pleasant scent. Overall, I think it's a decent brick, but Grizzly does have some better Christmas flavors. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the Deck the Halls? Are you decking the halls with this bar? Let me know if you get your hands on this festive brick or any other Christmas boy. As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty. Ew, man!